Hey everybody, my name's Joe. Welcome to my channel. I'm glad to have you. Hope you'll stick around. Hope you subscribe. Look in the links below to find out more about me and my t-shirts and hoodies if you would like to do so. On today's video, we got something in the mail here. Got a package. What is it? And I believe I know what this is. So let's proceed and see what's in the package here, shall we? And yeah, it looks like they got it packaged up pretty well. Yeah, man. Yeah, this is going to be a pedal from Donner. You can check out their site at donnerdeal.com. And if I'm thinking right, this should be a, what is it, Yellow Fall? It's a Yellow Fall delay pedal, mini pedal from Donner. So let's see here how we open this up. Oh, it's like a magnetic kind of deal. See there? Pretty cool. Nice spot. Wow, talk about a mini pedal. Dang, gum. Yeah, it's a little all right. But I looked at the reviews on this thing, and it looked really good. Wow, look at the size of this thing, man. It's really small. And yes, no battery. You'll have to use a power supply for this pedal. And you got 3 knobs on here: echo, feedback, and time. So what we're looking like if this wants to focus. Yeah, so let's hook it up. Let's hook it up to the 5150 and see what we got here. $31 for this pedal, by the way. 31 bucks for this Donner Yellow Fall delay. So let's hook it up and see what happens. So here we go. Let's try out the Donner micro delay here. The camera does not want to cooperate, does it? Wow. Anyway, so we're starting with everything pretty much about 12 o'clock. No, let me change that. I'm going to start with stuff about right in here. The feedback and the echo was about at 11, and I got the time, which is the button in the middle, about at 3. So we're going to start with that, and I'm going to go about noon, I guess, and just do a couple of different demonstrations here. I'm not going to put the feedback, which is this one, all the way up. I tried it a minute ago, and it's like an infinite disturbing sound, to say the least. It's pretty rough. So let's get on with some demonstrations, and we'll be right back with the Donner Micro, the Yellow Fall delay. So there you go, the Donner Yellowfall delay pedal. It's pretty nice, man, for $31. It's not bad at all. I don't believe that's bad at all. And yes, I went through the 5150 as you saw. Now I did run this to the effects loop. I went ahead and ran it to the effects loop. I did a quick test in front of the amp before I did anything. It sounded horrible. I even turned back the feedback and the echo, and yes, it worked, but you could barely hear any delay. You know, you could barely hear any repeats or anything. So in front of the amp sounded pretty bad, which any delay pedal is going to sound bad in front of the amp. I don't see how they did it back in the day before there were effects loops. I mean, I know they did, and they just had to cut back on some stuff, but I like for my delay to be able to be resonant, so you can hear it, you know, in the you know, so it's not, you know, I don't want it to be overkill, but I want to be able to, where it's distinct, you know. But anyway, the Donner Yellowfall pedal, delay pedal, is amazing. $31. I'm very happy with it. If you've never got any pedals from Donner, I would, you know, I suggest that you do so. Look on their site, donnerdeal.com. That's donnerdeal.com. Check them out. And I do have a pedal board and a power supply from them. Works great. And so now here's my first pedal from them, and I'm looking forward to maybe getting some more in the future. Until next time, this is Joe for the Joe Wentz Project. Thank you for watching. Everybody be safe. Have a great day. Peace out.